Do you ever wonder what happens when the police leave? Crime scene cleaners are private companies that handle the cleanup after the police are gone. Spaulding Decon is one of the nation's largest cleanup companies handling the aftermath of homicides, suicides, decompositions, hoarding, and much more. These are our stories.
Hey guys, we're here in South Tampa at a level 5 hoard.
You in the master bedroom? You know that's a water bed, right?
Yeah.
And everything else just says can go.
Hey guys, we're here in South Tampa at a level 5 hoard. The homeowner here, her children have asked us to clean out the house. She has since passed away, but this is the childhood home of the daughter, and she would like to see this house back to the way it was when she grew up in this house. The homeowner that lived here was collecting a bunch of different things. Mainly what we're finding is vending machines, gumball machines, but we're also finding things like lawn mowers, a lot of other canned goods, frames, stuff like that. So there's a large assortment. You would think that they were looking to possibly like sell things either online or in a storefront. That's kind of how it's staged. But this house is only 750 square feet and it was filled to the brim. So on one of our previous episodes, I talked about the levels of houses based on the size can impact it. Well, like I said, this is a 750 square foot house, but it was filled to the brim. For our benefit, a lot of the items are boxed up, so it makes for easy transport, but there's also a lot of stuff that isn't. The kitchen is in a major disarray, a lot of pots and pans, dirty dishes, cobwebs all over the house. We're gonna get all that stuff clean. Come with me and let's walk through this level 5 hoard.
Sir. And now you see why on hoarding jobs we go through stuff like what we do, because you don't never know what you can find, and then it could be like from 10, 12 years old. But I mean, who knows, they could want to save it, they couldn't want to save it, but at the same time we have to let them know, hey, we found this, if you want to save it or not. So if they don't, then we toss it. If they do, then we save it. Everything in this front room garbage, right?
The king.
How before when you go to cable and you see the TV guide scrolling up and down, up and down, up and down. No, this is the way we had to view to see what the heck was coming on TV back in the day.
What is crazy that this is like considered a level 5 ward because of how high it is.
That's laundry soap?
That's what it says.
Never heard of it.
Me either. And I've been living on this earth for 40 years and I ain't never heard of it either.
I will tell you guys, this evening your shower is going to be your best friend.
A water bed, which is a pain in my you-know-what, because I got to figure out how I'm going to drain this and get this out of here. Holy crap. Look at this. Motion in the ocean is where this comes from. Yes, sir, buddy. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in my ass. Yes, sir.
It's just material, but it's a cool chair. Oh no, I don't know if this is personal. I'm keeping it. Let me ask her, does she want this?
See, he used to run the company. She was here.
I'll be chilling here, I promise.
Yeah, you could.
Oh, I think there's something probably popped around in there, and then that's how you catch them and keep score. They probably pop out and you gotta catch them with these, if that makes sense. But these little balls, I'm pretty sure it's a catch. Shit going in the trash though, so.
Some stuff I'll leave over there. This is the remote to the TV. Another TV remote for, I think it's the one in the bedroom. There's another one, I think. These are, that's a pocket knife. Oh no, these are freaking to do your nails and stuff.
Toenail clippers.
Yeah.
Often in these situations, you'll see that there's dishes that have food and other stuff in them. People don't open up the cabinets. People don't open up items like their microwave. You'll see underneath the sinks are really bad a lot of times. Dishwashers, refrigerators are always fun to open. Make sure that you are prepared for the smell. I will tell you, you will eventually go nose blind to it, but your first couple of ones, you want to be prepared for it. Because we'll find in a lot of these situations that lights, AC, stuff like that doesn't work. So you got to be prepared to have to, the only way to get access to something or light into it is by running an extension cord or something like that. All right, so I can show you guys.
Hey, you in the master bedroom? You know that's a water bed, right?
Yeah. This is the working one, and then this one doesn't work either. This one has glassware and stuff in it. Alright, so this area has also been hoarded. This is another task for us as well. Okay, so this goes all the way out to the right, and I'll show you that. So what you'll find in a lot of hoarding situations, it's not contained to the house. And when they feel that they need extra space, it starts to flow out into the yard. The homeowner was actually renting out this space to somebody. So back there in that back corner, behind the blue tarp, is a cot, and somebody was living in this.
Alright, how's the bathroom look, guys?
It's kind of crowded, so really ain't no room to get in here, but
Trade spot.
it ain't really that dirty, you know, it's just cluttered.
Yeah.
I can hear them running. You can hear them. You can hear
As soon as I
the
turn on
little.
the light, all you heard was them start screaming. I know it's more than one.
This is not bad at all because we don't have to sort through it. We just need to, they don't have to keep anything, so we're just like dumping everything really. So yeah, not bad at all, but it's amazing to see this kind of like pile of stuff.
You know, on certain jobs with hoards, the homeowner or whoever wants us to sort through every single item, whether it be, you know, I go through my fridge expiration dates, make sure they're all good. This job, the homeowner is deceased. The person, you know, taking care of her stuff, just, hey, get rid of it all. So it's a 90% trash out, except for little things like jewelry and stuff like that. So it makes our job super easy. We can bust through it quick and we can get everything out because everything goes.
All the way to the very front of the door, so we've got maybe 20% done. We got it, not even 10% done probably. Goes back into two different rooms. There was someone that was renting this area of the shed out and living in there.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit of an interesting dynamic with the different things that we're finding here. Everybody lean out the door.
He tricked it.
Got a motorbike.
He got everything in his mouth.
Let this bitch start on
People
my
really
home.
make stuff like that.
I would get this refurbished. Like have somebody redo the paint job.
Right.
To start this bitch, I used to start using the reborn thing right there.
On the ready to start?
I'm coming to work on this, man.
Electronics, but all the boxes and everything else, this says can go.
So guys, we're moving through the house. As you see, this room is pretty much cleaned out. Right now we have a couple little items. Things behind me is what the homeowner is asked to be able to manage herself as she cleans the stuff out. So we're gathering the big stuff. We have now moved on to the kitchen. If you'll follow me, you'll see that the kitchen space is fairly clean as well. Cleaning this stuff out. So remember what I told you. First things that we do is remove all the contents, then we start doing the deep cleaning.
Now, as far as trying to put this into the furthest point.
Out of all that stuff.
No, it's an anime case. No, I said you'll slip it out.
No. Oh, that's a new one he's posting too.
That's what I'm saying.
That's a new post.
That's why I said, man. Oh, this is what I won't hang on my wall because I don't do demons and ghouls and.
They're definitely hollow.
I definitely like Harry Potter, but I'm not.
Harry Potter came out on my birthday that year. I ain't even know that.
How we get to the good and the worst, you know? Burger. Open it.
Oh, his shit's all still in here.
Got you.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's all the TV shit.
Beethoven. This one don't work.
Gonna be an ounce instead of like goddamn. What was that?
Oh, I turned on harmony. That's why that bitch.
Play, I think. Where is it? Where's the play button?
There you go.
What would you do? Nah, you can change the beat if you would. I did 55. But you want like a rap type shit.
I might start making beats, boy. I'm gonna be going crazy on this.
And just like that.
Yeah, I'm surprised at this. A lot of stuff plugged up to like an individual surge protectors over here. All the work was already done anyways. But we needed a I got you. Yeah.
That's enough.
Hey, this is Morgan Davis. I am with the Louisville franchise. I'm the project manager, operations manager, tech, everything. I think today went really good. We could see a big difference in the house. We were able to see the original color of the carpet and all of the cabinets and get everything out. The homeowners seem really happy so far with the work. Definitely got a lot of stuff out of there, but it was awesome to kind of learn what this is going to look like, and the techs and everybody working's really great. They're super fantastic and really helpful, and yeah, I think it went really good today.
Decon, this is Chance Carrick. I'm the owner of the West Palm Beach Spaulding Decon branch. Today we were here at a hoarding job, level 5 hoarding, so there was quite a bit of stuff, some things that were extremely old, some things that were super new, but you know, there was a little bit of anything and everything. We had some rodent droppings inside the house and a lot of things that we really didn't expect to see initially, but you know, we made some serious progress today, and it was pretty fun to get to learn a little bit more about the process of hoarding and how we go about cleaning it up and fixing and restoring a home for a homeowner.
How you doing, guys? It's Mario here on day 1 at the level 5 hoard out here in Tampa. Me personally, me and the team, even with the help that we had from the franchisees and the general manager, I feel like we got a lot accomplished today. As you can see by the back, I'm in the kitchen / dining room area, and this is a whole big improvement from what we did this morning. I'm gonna walk you around a little bit to show you what all we did, so that by the end of the interview you can see that me and my team, we just grinded it out and we went balls to the wall. So you guys want to follow me real fast? I'll show you around a little bit. So here we are going around in the kitchen. Obviously you see in the kitchen, all this was trashed. The stove and all this stuff, it was nothing but piles of dishes, trash and garbage. We got all this stuff cleaned. We're here in the bathroom where he's gonna have to walk through because it's so tight space that all this was trash and nastiness, but we got everything cleaned up. It's just gonna be a deep clean in the bathroom once we get to either day 3 or day 4. So, like I say, we're rocking it, we're grinding it out. You guys wanna keep following me around here? We'll go into the living room area where we got a lot accomplished here as well. If you notice, you didn't even know that there was a sofa here by how much stuff that was inside of this living room. But lo and behold, there's a sofa. We got some antiques on the wall that we're saving for right now until the homeowners decide if they want to keep them or if they want to dispose of them. We have this storage space over here that they want to go through, that they're going to come and take all the stuff out of that they want to keep. But other than that, I mean, for day 1, I think we did a real good job. We grinded out, made some big changes, accomplished a lot of good things. So as until tomorrow, we'll see you guys then. We out of here.
Thanks for watching today's episode of Crime Scene Cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel, Talking Decon, where we interview some really interesting people in the industry, but we also have some great talks about prominent serial killers and really prolific crimes. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to Talking Decon.
For more information, visit any of our locations.